Hello students, in this video we will learn the basics of letter writing. First, we will understand what is letter writing. Then we will look into the different types of letters. And finally, we will understand the format of letter writing. What is a letter? Letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another, generally via post. So, the primary purpose of a letter is communication in written form. Now, let's look into different types of letter. Letters are mainly divided into two types: formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter means official letter, informal means personal letter. We write formal letter for the purpose of business or any professional matter. We write informal letter for personal communication. Informal letter also express emotions and love. So, in today's class, we will discuss the informal letter. So, let us discuss the format of informal letter. First of all, you have to write sender's address. That means yours address. After writing a sender's address, leave a line. Then write date. How to write the date? For example, suppose today's date is 29th July. You shouldn't write the date as 29/7/20. You have to write 29th July 20. Always remember in English, don't write the date 29/7/20. Then again leave a line and you have to write salutation. Salutation means dear friend or the name of the friend, or dear brother, dear uncle, dear sister. In salutation always use dear. Then leave a line. No need to write the receiver's address. After salutation, start always with your body and please don't write the subject. That subject should be written in formal letters, not in informal or personal letters. After all these comes the body of the letter. This should be divided into 3 paragraphs. First one, introduction. Second one, content. And the third one, concluding paragraph. So in introduction, you can use sentences like, how are you? Or you can use, I have received your letter, I am fine. You can write the purpose of writing the letter. These are the lines from which you can start your letter. So, next, content. It is already present in the question itself. You all can read the question once and write the content. Last is concluding. For example, if you are writing a letter to your friend, you can conclude like this: convey my regards to uncle and aunt, or convey my love to your mom and dad. So, in this way, you can conclude your letter and please reply soon. So, these are sentences you can use. After main body, leave a line and write "your lovingly" clearly, and name should be mentioned. Dear students, here is a model letter. Students, I request you to go through this letter once and write it in your notebook.